We want students to have fun in history. It's often depicted as a very dull, dry topic, whereas actually it's the story of how our region was created. We have a range of authentic historical workshops that we offer for schools. Each of these topics are connected to the curriculum and have activities that bring history to life. At the end of the activity, the class will not only have learnt, but will have something to keep to show off their learning. Our workshops are taught by passionate educators who have an experience of teaching, child protection and their own DVSs. We offer these workshops either as a one-time event or as a project format. During the project, our educators work with your school for a number of weeks, helping your students to complete a project and to enhance their learning. Your students will explore and discover history in greater depth when they experience one of our workshops. Please contact us.
My favourite part of today was learning Latin and doing the marching, because I liked knowing about how to be a Roman soldier, and I like learning the language of Latin because it's really fun, and it's nice to learn how some of Latin words are also used today.
My favourite thing was about the life of a Roman soldier, how they had to carry lots of equipment and had to have a certain age, and they just captured lots of men and used them as different types of recruits.